Hello, today I will show you how to DM people or reply tweet. Here I'm still using my previous account. Check my account again to make sure it can work. Then create a DM task. Add a search module. Here I prepared another account. Copy username and paste it here because I want to DM myself. Select people here. Then add a get content module. And I added a direct message. Get myself from search module. So we can select message content from get content. But since there's nothing in get content module, I have to set message contents in message manager. Create a category of greetings. Then I'm adding some contents here. So when there are like multi-messages, it will randomly use one. Let's set a DM module now. Add greetings in get content module. So now we can get message content from get content now. I'm sending message now. It works really fast. Let's check the DM. Now I'm posting something. Then I will reply myself. Create a reply task. because we're going to search tweet. Add some random stuff. Remember to take your account once again. You can change the following items by your preference. Now let's reply. It runs fast. I just replied. Let's check. So this is an easy and useful tool for your Twitter marketing or management.